Welcome to the Contact Manager tutorial. This is Chaz
and Ashley
with the VGS Dev team. This tutorial will show you how to create and manage your contact list. Creating a contact list helps the user quickly populate field forms, tabular forms, and folder metadata with observers, recorders, and others that were present during data collection. From the menu toolbar, select Contacts. Then click the Contact Personnel Manager drop-down option. The Contact Personnel Manager window will open. To create a new contact, select the New button from the toolbar. The Details tab will open. Enter contact information for the individual you would like to add. The minimum amount of information that should be added is last name and first name. Additional information, such as middle name and organization, are optional. You may also identify contacts by type. The drop-down menu in the Type box offers several contact type options. Once you are satisfied with your contact details, click Save. You can cancel your edits at any time by clicking the Cancel button in the Contact Personnel Manager button toolbar.
To see your list of contacts, click on the List tab. From the list, you may activate or deactivate contacts by clicking on the Active Radio button, then click Save. Changing a contact to inactive does not remove the reference from the database, but removes the individual as a contact option during data input. To edit a contact, select the contact, then click on the Details tab, enter the correct information, and then click Save. A contact that is referenced in the database may not be deleted, but can be edited or changed to inactive. To populate or edit contact information in the field or tabular form, please see the sampling, survey, and tabular input tutorials. To populate or edit contact information in folder metadata, please see the layout and toolbar tutorial.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. For user support, please contact the VGS Dev team at vgs.arizona.edu.